Hey there, welcome to Doug in the Mud. My name is Doug, and this is my little pottery studio. I've been making pottery for almost 30 years, and I've been teaching pottery on the wheel for a little over 20 years. So this, I'll tell you, it's not an easy thing to do. It takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of time, but it's so much fun, and it feels so good. It's such an amazing feeling having that warm, wet clay spin under your hands. It's just, there's nothing like it. And of all the pottery things I do, so I work at a pottery studio, I teach classes, I sell pottery. Of all the things I do, I think teaching is my favorite because I get to experience everybody else's first time touching clay, right? The first time they put their hands on that warm, wet clay is an amazing feeling, and I get to see it over and over and over again, and it's just wonderful. So if you want to take this journey and learn how to make pots, know that it takes a while to learn how to do this, but know you start having fun immediately. It feels good immediately. The first couple of classes I took, in fact, I made nothing. I went home with nothing, didn't even center a piece of clay, but it felt so good spinning through my hands that it just kept me coming back and back and back. It takes a while to develop our sense of touch, fully develop it as a potter. Like the musician needs to train their ear, it takes many, many years, sommelier, their taste. We have to do the same thing with our hands and learn that feel. So we won't be making pots right off the bat from the bottom and straight up. It looks easy, right? When you see somebody do it, it's not easy, right? And you need to know what's happening along each step of the way. So we'll break it down and do it really slowly, one thing at a time, and I will try not to overwhelm you with too much information because there's lots of stuff to know, but we can worry about that stuff later. In the meantime, if you want to check out some of the work that I've done in the past, where I'm coming from in that, you can check out my website. It's duginthemud.com, also on Instagram and Facebook, all that sort of stuff. So if you want to get a little bit of background, feel free to do that. We'll be launching the first video. I can say the first video or two is going to be just very, very simple, centering. There's all sorts of things, all sorts of different ways to learn how to center. I want to just bring it right down to the basics. It's very simple. I just want to keep it simple and not confuse you. So we're going to center, and then the next one we're going to make a cylinder, pulling up the walls and stuff. So if you want to join me on this little journey, if you're going to start pottery, or if you've already started pottery and you're having a little bit of a time with it, because that's possible, then please subscribe to my channel, and then we can learn together. For now, we'll talk to you next time. Peace, love, and pottery. Ciao.